Okay, so special guest.
Back at it again.
Hey, Greg.
Hey.
Here to help me doing a greenhouse because my back is crap. Almost swear there. And so this one is a lot longer. What I found out is 8 feet inside, but not counting this part, outside the part. So it's more like 8 feet and almost 6 inches.
So the inside dimensions are exactly 8 by 10, or
Right.
right about 8 by 10, but the outside dimensions, which we weren't counting for when purchasing the lumber, was a little bit off.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to do some cutting and splicing.
So we figured out this is 3.5. This part is 3.5. It's supposed to be 4x4, but it's not. And so there's gonna be about this gap, and we figured that's 2.25 inches. So I'm gonna cut the corner of those woods and then slide it in here. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Yeah, it's not even 4. 2.5.
Here are 3.5 inch 4x4s.
Yeah. So 2. This is half. So this is 2.1, right?
Safety glasses on. Bust out the big guns. Oh, have to cut through one side, then go back through the other side to meet up. Hopefully it goes half. That's half.
Yeah.
Might just have to go around all the different sides. Flip it again. Well, at least you got a line marked for you now.
Yeah. Look at that. It's only...
Oh, all right, all right. Okay, just twist it right off.
I guess. It didn't want to go all the way. Okay, I gotta get a saw.
Well, I mean, how much is on there?
Just a little bit.
I mean, we can just twist it off if you want.
Try it.
I can twist it. Here, you want to hold that? I can get a better angle. There you go.
Oh, whoop.
Just a little.
Yeah,
just
probably.
got a little nipple on it, but you could sand that off.
I'm gonna use it on the outside. This side.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and then sand it later. Lazy. And it's gonna go here. It seems too thick though, isn't it?
I mean, get.
Can I ask a question?
Ask me a question.
It might be incredibly stupid, I don't know, but why didn't you just shove that wood that way?
Huh?
Because isn't it longer that way?
What?
Or no?
I'm not
The
understanding.
2 pieces here are going on that side, right? And they're
Yeah, like what she's saying is, why don't we just move this entire piece over that way? It's because it's how would I even describe it? Yeah, it's short this way, so we need to be able to
and then
like
that.
bump it out to
Okay,
give ourselves
that makes sense.
the room on this side. Because
Otherwise,
yeah,
I was
like it's
that just seems like a lot of effort.
yeah. No, well, so it's 8 by 10, but it's only like, apparently they only counted like the inside dimensions. So obviously it says 8 by 10, so we buy the wood for those dimensions, but the outside dimensions, like it's not factoring in like the big bolsters here and.
I guess it's lucky to get more materials.
See?
Yeah, yeah.
This
there
is-
you go.
This is too big.
Oh, so much.
2.25 was too big. I bet you this is not 2.25. Okay, so we managed to do it right there. And so this piece starts from here. Now we have to anchor here, 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 and here, there, there. Okay? Okay, so this is 90-degree here. And this is 90-degree there. Perfect. This is what we're gonna do. There's an anchor there, and then anchor there, and then
What,
anchor
over there
in the middle.
first?
Anchor there, anchor here, and then anchor middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fire. All right.
Did it go in well?
They're in.
See, I was worried because it's kind of edge of the edge,
Yeah.
but
I mean, it caught. It's in there.
okay.
Now we just want to make sure this is all nice and like
Yeah,
pushed exactly where we want it to be.
it should be. It should be.
Okay. Then you're gonna want to make sure the other side is nice and straight too.
Yeah, it looks pretty straight to me.
Think it's good?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
All right.
So that one side. Now now we can do the
Put up
Yeah.
a wall.
Yeah. It's not going to.
Of course. Washington's got a ring, man. They can help you.
Okay. So that's screwed in. This is screwed in. Perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna go up. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna be in this part. This part.
I'm assuming.
Oh, wait a minute. Why is it only? Oh, because it's a door pump. So okay. Yeah, you do that. And I guess it's gonna go here. Does it have a top and bottom?
There we go.
Should be the same.
Well, they're different lengths. Oh, okay. Where does this one go?
Here.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a circle one. See? Try to match it here. Yep. That's it.
Is it supposed to go in?
Yeah.
There we
There you
go.
go. There. And then here's the challenging part. You see those hole on the middle? You're supposed to
Yeah,
use
oh, yeah.
this.
Put these in there.
Yeah, and push it in. That's the tricky part. You kind of have to learn it. You have to squeeze it in sometimes too.
Whoa.
I just caught it.
What the heck? Am I doing it like the wrong way or something?
I don't know. It's just that way. And when it goes in, it just goes in. So I'm thinking I need to like hold it here.
That can't be right. What? There
There you go.
Jeez. Put it in here too.
See, it went in easy, right?
Yeah, that
Some
one did.
I bet you it's the drill. Somebody drilled it wrong or something.
Maybe.
Oh, cold.
That one was easy. Yes, it is. Get in there. Okay.
I just went in?
Yep.
Okay.
Then
Over there. I think. There is one, right?
yeah, there's two on this as well.
Alright. Now we are here. Get those parts in, I guess. Okay. And tighten it up. Seems simple, right?
Well, I mean, it seems simple, but that doesn't mean anything. Famous last word.
And see, because this time, this one is actually, the screw goes in. Right? No, those are, no. You can't, you don't want to do
These
that.
don't go in here?
No, see? See that? This is where the screw goes in instead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And so,
That'll make it easier for me.
looks like that goes inside. So 7939 is on this side. 7938 is that part. This is this side. And this side of screw goes from here. So you go over there. Like that.
Are we sure?
That's what it says. I think.
It's an extremely tight fit. Is there a... Wait.
Really? You think so?
I don't
It
know.
has upside and downside?
Well, it really doesn't want to go in down there.
Yeah, I bet you force it in with a screwdriver. I mean, the machine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Just don't want to do something and screw up your greenhouse. Crack a panel or something.
You gotta make sure you go. It goes in, right?
Yeah, it's going in now, but now trying to get it lined up with...
Yeah, that's the problem,
Yeah.
really. Maybe you should
I'm just trying to widen it out a little
Yeah.
bit.
do that on the other side
Yeah.
too. Yeah. Smart man.
I'm trying. Well, I mean it's threaded now. So let's see if I can magically get it to come out the other side. Come on in. Let me know if you can see anything.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh, is it coming out?
Yeah.
What?
So,
What?
now this goes. Okay, here we go. And then, is this supposed to be coming out this much? Oh yeah. And I bet you I'm not supposed to be tightening it up or something like that.
Well, I mean, you can just leave it on there. It's not going to go anywhere.
Yeah.
You can tighten everything down later.
Oh, because because there's some sort of a sliding parts. Remember your greenhouse had some sort of a sliding system?
Yeah,
So you have
yeah.
to-
Where the panels slide in, you mean?
Yeah, so you cannot tighten it up first.
Yeah.
The same thing would happen later.
Okay.
So, okay, here's another one.
Yet again, do the same thing.
Or maybe it just goes in, no problem.
Well, maybe. Don't have to see it.
Yeah, I see it. Keep going. Down tiny bit, down tiny bit. Up, there, down, up.
It's very hard.
Okay, maybe we could do it from this side.
What, just bore it out a little bit?
Yeah, from this side.
Let's see if we can make it work this time. It really wants to wobble. Oh. Where's the hole at?
Oh, you got it.
Is it in?
Yep. Oh. Alright. This one goes this side.
Nice.
And then I think. So you hold it there. Hold that thing.
Oh.
So that I can tighten it up. I think it.
Oh, okay.
This is not like side.
127.
Yeah, and then
And these guys.
this, and the pins. Yep.
Okay,
Two
well.
keys.
Let's grab this and go to the beach.
Okay.
Legos,
So we're
right?
here now, making those pieces. You- You have to make sure. See, this one is out, right? So this should be this way. So this is this side.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So this goes in like
this.
that. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, and then do the pins again.
Oh yeah. Where do the pins go in here? Well,
Right here.
well, we'll have to do the pin. Well, the pins go in once it's installed.
Yeah, but those side, you have to do that side.
Oh, I gotcha. My favorite part.
Yeah, right? And see this? I didn't like this gap, so I tried to redo this. And the pin, one of the pin in here is broke, stuck. So, like, okay, fine, so be it.
It is what it is at this point. It'll be fine. Oh, that beautiful Washington spring, am I right?
Yeah, exactly. It's raining and super cold. After the spring, what do you call the spring day? We're gonna have snow again.
Yeah. Things are a nightmare, Yoshi.
I know.
We're gonna have to do so many.
Yeah. If Brad ever have a chance to come here, that's what he's gonna do.
There you go. Yeah. Good idea. All right. So now the other piece. Ooh, nice. Uh-oh.
The raining really started.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, probably we should have peeled it before.
yep. Now we got little. Dang it. Nice. Okay. And
It's definitely better with 2 people though, huh?
yeah.
Oh, see, no. Flip it. No. Flip it.
Oh,
See that? It says out. That needs to go out.
What do you mean go out?
There's an out sign here.
So like facing this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, the rain.
That's an awkward little
Yeah.
fit.
You might want to cut your finger if you don't
Yeah.
be careful. Okay. That's right.
Where is that?
It looks like a tiny little wood scrap. Sometimes you just like, oh, where'd that tool go?
That was easy.
Oh, and you have to do the the bottom is already done, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Although it looks like that one down there is coming out. This is an awkward angle. Oh, dang it.
Do you want to try to reel it really quick?
What was that?
It went in?
Yeah.
Oof.
Although this one's coming out. Can you push on that side?
Okay.
I gotta push this back in. There you go.
Okay, nice.
All right. Boom.
Okay. Well, you know what? I guess that's it for today. Yeah?
Sure.
It's pretty cold.
It is cold. It is
Yeah.
wet. It is
Let's do
windy.
this. Let's call it a day today.
All right.
Thank you, Greg.
One panel up. No worries. Woo.